Every time I say, this is the biggest one yet, lies, lies, lies. Okay. I've lost 200 pounds. I love me some snacks. I've had a whole bunch of new snacks from Thrive. Guys, this box is so heavy. I feel sorry for the man or woman who delivered it. Let's see what I got. Thrive Market finally has the Catalina Crunch Mix. I'm so excited. This stuff is delicious. I got the Honey Mustard Crunch Mix and then the Cheddar Crunch Mix. And then I got just traditional. If you're not familiar with what this is, it's a low carb, high protein snack. It's like, what is that? What's that mix? Y'all know what I'm talking about. I can't remember what it's called. But anyway, it's got pretzels and all kinds of yummy things in it. I've not had the honey mustard one. So without further ado, let's try it. I've had the cheddar one. It's so good. I got it from H-E-B. Was it last year or the year before? Stop. That's so good. This stuff isn't stuff I would like snack on the regular or like, this is for a low calorie diet. No, but this is stuff that I'm a foodie and I wanted to try it, okay? And I do share my snacks. I have lots of family members. So these are Canyon Poppers Jalapeno Ranch. Let's try it. That's delicious. Let's Thrive Market because a lot of the products are organic and they ex-nay a lot of ingredients on their site and don't allow them. All right, 'tis the season. This is a white chocolate marshmallow popcorn. And it really isn't that bad. 120 calories for 3 cups of popcorn. And the sugar, I know you're gonna think that it sounds high. No, 4 grams of sugar, 12 carbs for 3 cups. Let's try it. I'm not sharing this. I'm just gonna let you know that in advance. My mom just placed her own Thrive order recently and she got these. I was like, I got those too. I haven't tried them yet. So let's find out how they are. These are extra cheddar mac stuffed snacks. See it? Okay. It's 8 grams of plant protein per serving. There it is. That is so cheesy. That tastes like a Cheez-It on steroids. My niece is gonna be obsessed. We missed a Catalina Crunch. This one is the Spicy Kick Crunch Mix. Gotta try this, I love spice. You guys see what it looks like? See all the different mix in there? It's low carb and it's got protein in it. I think this wants to go to work with me. Not me forgetting I ordered another one. I ordered pretty much every flavor they had. I just forgot. I got Creamy Ranch. Oh, I'm still on fire from that Spicy Crunch Mix. Oh, I'm a ranch connoisseur, okay? I'm a lot of connoisseurs. All right, let's try a whole pretzel. Hawaiian habanero tortilla chips. I keep waiting on the spice to come, but it wasn't that spicy to me. It was good though. And then I got, y'all ready? Dill pickle crinkle cut kettle chips. The smell of dill pickle will knock you out with these. Big old chip. Perfection. Y'all, I still got a lot more snacks left in there, but I am snacked out. I'll see you on the next one.